Yeah, I'm on my way over to a company that many of you will be familiar with, North America and in the UK, Europe, etc. And the company is Olympia. So beautiful trees there. Because I want to, thanks. This is not private property, mate. This is a public footpath, mate. See those yellow lines? See those yellow lines? You don't put yellow lines on private property. Yeah. Nah.
Okay, fair enough, I'll bring the place out.
Yeah, go ahead, mate. You get an education.
Excuse me?
You heard me. You'll get an education.
Good education.
You will get an education.
Not really?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't think so, sir.
You trying to make a point there?
Just only doing my job.
So, I want the name of that.
No, you're not entitled to it.
Yes, I am, mate.
You're not?
Yeah, and I bet
No.
I'll call SIA and say you're not displaying your badge, mate.
I have to carry with us, I don't have to display.
You have to display it, mate.
Really?
Yes, mate.
Really?
Yeah. Right, get away from me now.
No?
Yeah. Look, guys, this guy. We got another pretend fucking security fella.
Away. Yeah, swearing away.
Get away from me. I tell you, mate, you touch me, I'll defend myself, so get away.
Not touching him.
Yeah, well, go away
I'm
then.
getting your personal space.
Yeah, right on. Get out of my shot, mate.
That's good. I've got 2 hands.
Yeah, well, got 3 cameras.
Good.
Got 3 hands?
We've got plenty.
You got 3 hands?
We've got plenty of cameras.
Go away from me. Do you realise how foolish you're going to look? You're going to be a YouTube star tonight.
Oh, that's great, that's great.
Yeah.
That'll be the first time, that'll be the last.
Yeah, well.
Thank you.
Yeah, right, see ya. So anyway, guys,